This video is going to focus on preparation and tips for success during the exam. The first and most important thing, and it sounds rather obvious, but it's probably the most challenging thing about any law exam: time management. I guarantee you that when you read the exam, you will think that you could spend all day on it. That's completely normal. There will be a lot of issues, and any experienced lawyer could happily spend all day analysing the issues, but you only have a really short period of time. So the first thing you should do in your reading time is work out how long you can spend on each question. Be strict with yourself. Once your time is up, move on. Even if you feel like you have some brilliant insights that you're yet to put on paper, time management is imperative. It's very important to identify the issues. Identify the types of offence which could arise from the factual scenario. Is there a death? Think murder or manslaughter. Sexual activity? Think sex offences. Don't forget to turn your mind to defences, uncompleted offences, so attempts, and complicity if there is more than one offender. If you are identifying the right issues, then you are on your way to a good mark in the exam. Next, you need to apply the correct law. It's important that you learn what the statutory provisions are and what the propositions are that you take from the case law. Firstly, identify whether the offence is a statute offence or a common law offence. What does the law say? Remember, you don't need to use correct citation in the exams. Saying things like, Royale sets out the tests for causation, is absolutely fine, and in fact is the best way to approach things. After identifying the issues and the law, it's time to analyse the factual scenario in your exam question. Think, how would the prosecution argue that these facts establish an offence? Remember, you can assume that all facts in the question are proved and not in dispute. Consider both sides. How do you think the defence could argue that the same facts do not establish an offence, or that they give rise to a defence? By thinking about how it can be argued both ways, you will be developing your analysis and building towards a powerful conclusion. Finally, you want to come to a conclusion about whether you think that the offence has been proved. This is the last one of our videos. I hope you've all enjoyed the course, and I wish you the best of luck with your studies.